For many of us, the holidays include trips to see family and friends in other places. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll talk about keeping your home secure while you're gone right after this. Is keeping out the cold on your to-do list? With Duck brand weatherization products, you can quickly and easily make your home more comfortable and efficient, saving you energy dollars along the way. Duck brand's affordable product line includes a roll-on window kit that comes in different sizes and strengths, including standard and max strength. These kits create a weather-tight seal with no hassle and no measuring. That's my kind of DIY project. To learn more and find a retailer near you, visit duckbrand.com. When you leave home, don't advertise to thieves that you're away. Burglars look for dark houses that stay that way, so use timers to make it look like you're at home. If you can, use several and program them to turn lights and radios on and off in different rooms at different times. Leave a car parked in the driveway and ask a neighbor to gather the mail and newspapers or have delivery of them stopped altogether. If you use online networking sites like Facebook or Twitter, be careful that your posts don't tell the world that your house is vacant, and don't share too much information on the answering machine with a message like, "Hi, the Wilsons aren't home this weekend." Otherwise, your house might give you away while you're away. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.